where else should I put my money?
This is what I recommend every person I talk to, publicly or privately, is I recommend you invest in yourself right now. And again, that doesn't just mean courses or college or universities. That's learning specifically valuable skills.
Okay.
I have 4, and I added a 5th actually after one of our lives because we kept talking about this.
Nice.
Is 4 skills I recommend that I have personal experience with. There are probably more, but the ones that I have personal experience with that I think anybody should learn: writing, specifically copywriting and editorial writing, stuff like that. Speaking, marketing, sales. If you learn those 4 skills, you'll learn how to make money. Or you can make money pretty much no matter what. You won't even be replaced by automation, robots, and AIs, which is one of our other conversations that we had. If you do those 4 things and you invest in learning valuable skills, then you can do skill number 5, which is multiplying that money through investing in things like value investing and finance, increasing your financial literacy, which will help you multiply your money. The first 4 skills will help you earn money. The 5th skill you can earn money from, but it'll help you multiply that money as well. That's what I recommend pretty much everybody right now invest in, is improving themselves. And again, this could be improving your relationship with your wife, kids, husband, whatever. This could be taking trips. This could be buying another of your 10 million courses that you and I both have, or books that we both have. They could be all those things.
I'll sell my books for $500 a pop.